This guide walks you through configuring EAN Plugin Compatibility Options. Click WooCommerce. Click Settings. Click EAN. Click Compatibility. Find Plugin Compatibility Options. Go to Point of Sale for WooCommerce. Enable EAN for product search and point of sale for WooCommerce. Click Enable. Go to Print Invoice and Delivery Notes for WooCommerce. Click Enable. Go to WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. Click Enable. Access the token settings. Enable the token feature. Access the WCFM section. Enable the WCFM feature. Access Multi-Vendor X section. Enable the Multi-Vendor X feature. Click Save Changes. Thanks for watching this video.